Assalamu alaikum and good day to all my friends and elders. Welcome back to my channel Neha Fathima's Art and Craft. Once again, I am Neha Fathima meeting you all in this video. Today, I have come to buy a smartphone. So come on, let's go in. I have visited one of the famous multi-brand mobile showroom in Chennai. It is Purvika. They have Samsung, MI, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo and iPhones. They have headphones and also they have Nokia mobiles. And they have portable Bluetooth speakers. And also they have other mobile accessories. I'm going to buy one of this. This is Samsung Galaxy A03 Redmi 9A. There are 3 different colors in this both headsets. I like this both. I am going to buy this blue one. This is really so cool. I like this color. I love blue. So that I selected this. So now we have completed the purchase and paid for it. Now uncle is checking before handing over to us. So now uncle is showing us the phone. So we have bought this phone. Now I'm going to switch it on. It's really good. I bought my favorite headset. It's really good. I like this color, blue. This is a greenish blue. This is a wireless headset. We can fix the size of this headset. It's a Bluetooth. This is useful for my online classes. Thank you, uncle. I'm so excited and happy that I got a new mobile. As a bonus, I got a Bluetooth headset. Let's go. That's it for today. Please support me by subscribing, commenting, like, and share. Please don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications when I post my new videos. So thank you. Love you all. So without any further delays, let's meet in the next video.